Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your Valorant card, like player card and player like title. So if I go to play here, this is my player card and this is my player title. So go back and select collection and select player's card here. And here's where you can change your player's card. And I'm just going to select owned here and apply. And I'm just going to find the one I want to change. So once you're done, just select equip card. And for the titles as well, for instance, you want it to be the charmer one, select it, and it's just going to be equipped like so. Or if you don't want a title, just select remove title. But I think this is in alphabetical order, and I'm just going to select this one again. And yeah, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!